Hello guys, so in this video I just added new features to make to do. This are the new. So the new feature. So these are the new features I decided to do. So for this feature here, I added search tags, whereby a user can actually search for the tags, and also to sort for deadlines, status, and priority. And then overdue tags. When the tags is overdue, it comes up with a warning. And we also have our menu that was always popping up there. I added new cases, and the search tags, deadline, sort tags. So let's just jump into it. So for this the function here, I've already explained so much already using comment. The function will actually search tags by keywords. So for instance now, let me just let me see. Now I'm having one choose you can see. To add the tags, let me just see for example adding the tags. Let me use one to add the tags. So let me call it code. Now I'm going to enter the category of the tags. So study. And the next one is I'm going to also select the deadline for the tags. So let me say the year comes first, 2025. What should be high? Let me say 30. In priority level, let me say it's high, it's high. Then how is it reoccurring? The reoccurring is like, is it monthly, weekly, or month? So let me choose daily. So I just added to see now tags added successfully. So now let's now search for the tags. Let me now search for the tags. Search for the tags. I'll use 8. So what tags am I searching for? Code. See code. Category of my coding is study. Deadline is deadline. I say deadline. I'll search for it, and this just comes up with category which is study and deadline. This is coming up with my deadline already. So and once I add the new tags, this tag will just on file. Come up already. I've added this one before. Now it's not done yet, so it's still false. It's false. So let's go back to this. That's what we have for adding new searching for text. So I just search for the tag is coming. Now it's all this, and this function here is to sort for text. It's for me to sort for the text. And in case 1, yes, sort for deadline, the earliest first deadline. That's where I have my date. And also I also sort by alphabetical category. That's when I press my code TOD, the alphabet comes up. And also priority, high, low, or medium. So for instance, let me sort by, let me choose option 9. Can you see sort? You can sort by deadline, by category, by status, by priority. Let me use high, let me say high. Now for high, these are 12 from having a high. 8 G code. So these are the ones I'm having for my high category right now. I'm sorting them. So these are the ones that's how this code. That's what this function here is. This switch function. This is what it works for. Then the next one I have overdue tax. So how do I get my overdue? I'm using filter. So no filter. In filter it returns an array by condition. So the condition, if it's overdue, well, by condition. Yes. If it's overdue and not done, then I have this. You have an overdue tax. So then for each, it's for me to sort also the array to check the deadline also. And I also create another function again for an overdue tax. So function if it catch overdue. Then I have the deadline before the day. And the code will also always return back daily. And if there is nothing, gonna be a goodbye. So that's all for this expansion of this short code. I hope I'll be dropping the code somewhere. So now for the merging, I'll be pushing this code to Git already. So I'll be creating a new So guys, today what happened? I didn't pull before I pushed. That's why I got this error. And also this error that happened here after I made, I'm not really supposed to be inside this hole. That was the mistake I made. Let's come back to my let's refresh.